So, you've decided to make your way to the World Wide Web, not as a surfer, but as an entrepreneur. Good for you. Done correctly, it won't be long before you are able to generate income from your website. But first, you need to know how to build your own website. So let's get busy. I'll start by assuming you already have your domain name. If you don't know how to do that, then I warmly suggest you to have a look at our website in the description below. You'll be redirected to hundreds of blog articles and to our step-by-step training on how to start and run an online business. Let's start with choosing the right hosting provider. Hosting is where your website pages reside. In order for others to see the website you build on your computer, it must be hosted somewhere. There are many different web hosts. Some are free, others are standard hosting, and still others offer dedicated or virtual hosting. Many head towards the free hosting, which can have a number of drawbacks, including space, bandwidth, and even your site's ability to become ranked. Make sure you read the fine print and know what you are and are not getting. I personally use SiteGround. There is a SiteGround review link in the description in case you are interested to learn more about this hosting provider. Once your hosting is set up, you need to decide what your website will look like. It's now time to decide what type of website you will build. Is it a site designed to provide information, news, sell products and/or services, etc.? Remember, content is key in the world of search engines. So think about how you will build a site that promotes your focus and provide rich content. There are tons of CMS, blogging solutions, and web edit services that can offer you WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. It makes building your website like using a word processor. My suggestion, don't waste your time. Use a proven framework like WordPress. You can download our book on how to power up your business with WordPress for free. Just follow the link in the description below. And now comes the most important step. Promote your website. If you build it, they will come. Nothing could be further from the truth when it comes to a website. You are going to have to make sure your site is search engine optimized. You need to build content that focuses on relevant keywords so that your site gets ranked and placed well, which will bring targeted traffic to your site. And the final step is to maintain your website. You can't just put your website up and forget about it. You need to bring new content in on a regular basis. Test to ensure your site is running properly on all browsers, and in general, keep your website fresh. That's it in a nutshell. You have just 4 easy steps to building your own website and starting your online business. If you enjoyed this presentation, if you found it informative and would like to see others, please subscribe below so we can keep you informed as more become available.